Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to merge the cell on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to merge the cell in your Canva sheets mobile, just going to show in this video. For that first step, you can select a few cells. So just need to merge this particular two cells. Then you have options here. You have options here on the down. You can just click on the more option. Then after click on the more option, you just need to swipe down. You have this option called merge cell. Click on this, so the cell has been merged. The same process can be repeated for a bigger cell. For an example, here I just selected total of 9 cells. So you just need to just make the tool options on the bottom. Click on the three dot option, more option, and swipe up. You have an option called merge cell. Click on this, so the cells has been merged. Now if you just can type whatever you just needed, so it will be on the center. You can just align it by just click on here. Just go to the alignment here. That's it. This is how you just merge the cell on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.